Alright, today I'm taking a look at the Samofu home office chair. Okay, so we got hardware. I like that they're putting these red tags on them because it makes it easier to make sure that you're not losing anything. It's like an arm. That's cool. And I like that this thing slides back and forth. That's really cool. And the seat. Backrest. The other arm. The piston. It's like the main base. The legs for it, and the seat attachment, and the wheels. Alright, so let's get the instructions out. Alright, so the first bolts is going to be for the base, and they are M. And there are 2 holes for each leg. And I can say I do like that these legs are bolted on, because I've dealt with a lot of chairs that have just kind of like clip-on legs. But then if you pick it up wrong, that the legs just kind of fall off. Having actual bolts is kind of a good thing. These are never going to come off. Okay, so go ahead and drop this guy on. Cool. And we'll throw the wheels on. Yeah, that looks pretty good. We'll set that aside. So next we got the backrest. And that looks pretty good. I like that. So it looks like you can use this to adjust the lumbar support. So if you want this to be a little higher on your back, that's kind of cool. I'll probably keep that up high. Alright, so I'm going to be using K and L to attach the armrests. So I'm going to be using 2 of the Ks and 2 of the Ls. This should attach just like this. That was showing K, which is the longer bolt, goes on the bottom. And L goes on the top. And this will attach the same way. And then I got some caps I'll be using to cover up those holes. So I'll just press in. Just to make everything look neat. And now we attach the seat. That's nice looking. Nice and wide too. And this uses all K bolts. And right now I'm just getting them started. I don't want to tighten them down until I've got all 4 bolts going. And since all 4 of them are in, I can tighten them down now. So we're almost done. Just got to attach the base now. And it's showing to attach it like this with the long bolts, the K bolts on top. And use the last 2 bolts on the bottom. And again, I'm not tightening these down yet. I'm just getting them started. Okay, so we have the rocking adjustment right here. So if I want this to be nice and tight so it'll keep me straight up, I can use that. And then this will adjust the height. So that's a pretty cool chair. I can say I really like the wide cushion and the fact that these things can come up and down. I like the lumbar support adjustment. So it's going to fit people of all sizes. Yeah, that's a really cool chair.